And we're back on this muggy, cold Wisconsin day with the Golf. So, update, she looks a little bit different. We're gonna get into that in this video on what I did to this car. But just to preface, it's been about a week and a half since I got it. We've put about 1,500 miles on this car, and it has been flawless. This is the first car I've gotten from auction that hasn't really needed any mechanical stuff, really anything at all. I fixed the majority of everything for maybe under $120, and some of it was just like to make it prettier. So we're gonna go step by step in this video. I'm gonna show you guys what I bought for the car, what I did to the car, and all the little updates I did to the car to make it nicer than it's been. And then I'll come back and tell you guys how it is. So we're here in the back of the car with all the accessories I bought for it. So we got new wiper blades. We got these things called drop stops you put in between the seats so stuff doesn't fall between them. We have new H7 Osram night breaker lasers. They're supposed to be brighter than the standard headlights. Good reviews. I heard they don't last long, but I heard they're good otherwise. We got USB ports for it that wire right in. A new key fob and everything like that. And I think this isn't gonna work because I got the wrong one, but the auto headlight switch, I'm like 95% sure I bought the wrong one. And then we have a mirror switch because the one in the car is broken. And then we have a set of new hubcaps. They don't have the Volkswagen logo on them. I ordered the sticker logos, like the vinyl stickers, but they haven't come in yet. Now, it's windy out. All this stuff came from AliExpress, except for the headlights, the bulbs. But the rest of it came from AliExpress. So we're gonna go and start throwing it together. So we're working on the headlights right now, and just to show you guys, this isn't the best way to show it, but left is the original headlight, right is the new Osram bulb. So it's definitely brighter just staring at them. It is brighter and it is a whiter light. I don't know how that's going to transfer to spillage and viewing on the road, but this is all I know how to show you guys and how to test it honestly. And it does look substantially brighter and more white than, not LED white, but it is more white. So we're gonna keep working on the car. We just did the bulbs. It's super easy. You just got this dust cover, you pull it off. It's probably one of the easiest headlight replacements I've ever done. There's no fighting, there's no unplugging wires, there's nothing. It's super simple. So we just took care of that, and then the dust cover just goes back on. Now, I would be recording more for you guys, but it's currently 19 degrees outside, so it's freezing. But we're gonna continue on. We just did the wiper blades as well. So she has the new wiper blades on. We're gonna finish up the other headlight. Literally took 45 seconds to do this headlight. Just twist, pull out, plug the new one in. Super easy, super genius design. So we'll get to the other one and we'll keep on going. So here's the passenger side fender. It has a little bit of a dent right here. I'm gonna take off the liner behind this and see if I can actually get my fingers behind there and pop this out a little bit. And see if maybe we can make that little dent go away, make it a little bit better. Also, like I said, guys, look at those brand new tires on her. Brand new. Look at that. And then after that, we're gonna throw the hubcaps on, and it should be, hopefully we can get this out because it'll make the car look a little bit better. And then go from there to the next step. Okay, so we're back. I popped it out a little bit, but it fought me to come out, but it looks a little bit better, but it just fought me. I was cutting my hands, trying to take it off. So anyway, we got the hubcap on. Looks better than running around on Sealy's. And then once the little emblem comes in, I want to replace the rim so bad. We'll see how good these videos do, if it's worth it. But I don't think it's worth it right now, especially because it has new tires. It'd be a waste to get rid of the rims and put bigger ones on and go up to 18s when it has a fresh set of tires on it. But we'll get the rest of the hubcaps on and we'll keep going on. And we're back. So we're on the inside of the car now. We have the car on in neutral, and I pried up on this thing. And you gotta get this thing out of the way because we're installing our next mod right down here. So it's those plug and play USB ports. So there's two T20s down here. I'm actually curious what output they put, how many watts. So I have a meter. I'm gonna test the wattage coming out of them, the charging watt. And then all you gotta do Let's take these T20s out. This is shit. I'm gonna get an actual tool. Hold on. Okay, much better. We actually got a tool. So all you should have to take out is these two T20s. No, make sure you don't want them falling back there. So put them right over here. Get them out. I'm gonna put them right in the drop stops. Look at those I installed. Very nice. Very nice. If you see like smoke, by the way, it is because it's freezing cold. I'm inside of a garage that's not heated. And it is like 15 or 20 degrees out right now. I got a little buddy going, but it's not strong enough. And then you just pry up on this. I think you want to keep the lid closed though. Oh yeah, there we go. And then you have access to all of that. And I think this just, you just pull this section out. So we're gonna do that right now. Okay, it's actually easier than I thought. Just to make sure it all comes on. Just supposed to light up. There we go. So they're lit up right now. They work. And then for this, let's turn that off. I think you can just pop out the tabs. So we're gonna pop out that one. We're gonna pop out that one. And you should just be able to push them in. Let's unplug them first. And then type C right there. Fit and finish is good. And then we'll plug that one back in. Boom. That one's lit up. And then the next one, unplug it. Push this one in. I wonder if this one's different, the side of this edge piece. Well, it should be the same. There we go. I don't like forcing things in holes because I don't want to break things. I've been there, I've done that. And then it plugs in. As you can see, we have power. That's why the lights are on. So it's working. Everything's all good. Just wire tuck it all back there. Oh, shit. Make sure you close that. And then boom, it's all good. Look at that. They light up too. They look good. And you just take your T20 and you run it back in and you tidy it all up and close it. And then now we have USB ports built in, which I really like. I have a little dongle, but like this is very nice to have built in. Okay, and we're back. So this is the new one right there. Make sure you get the right one. This is the old one. As you can see, the knob broke off. Now this one also, there's different versions of mirror, power folding, all that stuff. All we gotta do is make sure that ours has the heated mirror because that's the option we have. And then you just plug it in. There we go. Click it in place. There we go. As you guys can see, I chewed up this like rubbery stuff, but it's done. I'm happy. And we're back in the car right now. I want to show you guys. So you have the USB-A, you have the USB, or the USB-C, the USB-A. That one's supposed to be the Qualcomm 3.0. But all I care about is I have this little Anchor charger. And when I plug something in, it shows me the watts. So 21 watts. This thing charges at 21 watts. Pretty good. The max this thing can take is 30. My X5 charges at 30. So this is nice. I also have a Belkin one back here somewhere. This is a baby dongle. I've been using it, but I like to use a 12 volt for like a dash cam or something and have USB ports free. So this is nice. And they turn off and on with the lights. So that's very nice. Super easy, plug and play. Can't go wrong. I wish there was other like usable, I mean, you can probably install a million more USB ports, but like I wish there was other things you can install right here. The next thing we're gonna try to do is I'm trying to get a hold of one of those RD330 head units and throw it in and see, you know, if I like it or not. And then the headlight switch right here. I got the wrong one, so I'm just gonna take care of that and replace it. But the mirrors work, everything works now. The car is all good to go. She's so much better than she was before, and I will show you guys tomorrow when the sun is out what she looks like all done. Okay, so if you watched the video, you saw all the little modifications I did to it, including the new hubcaps. These are the original style hubcaps, but they are missing the emblems. I ordered them from AliExpress, but they're taking a while to come in because they're probably coming from like Uruguay or something like that. Otherwise, coming around the back, again, new wiper blades all around. They work well. We still have that dent in that door. I didn't mess with it yet. I bought touch-up paint. I'm just gonna wait for the weather to cool down or warm up, I guess, because I'm gonna try to touch that up and pull the dent out as well as up here. Not a big deal at all. New front wiper blades. We fixed the bumper like 90%, right? So that big gouge, now you guys can see it, it's sticking out. Now you guys can see it is a lot better. This crack is more sealed. I tried scrubbing these things off. It scrubbed off a little bit, but again, like you got to use like a fingernail. You see that to get it off. So when I get some time, I'm gonna scrub that off. The headlights I put in it, the Osram, I'll link them in the description. Phenomenal, like 10 times better than what was on the car before, which is just regular bulbs. Everybody was saying get the Osram night breakers. Get them on the forums. Some people complain they don't last that long. But I'm here to tell you, night and day, literally the night and day difference. So much better at night, so much clearer. Like before I was struggling to see at nighttime. Now, no problem at all. Coming on the inside, as you can see, we have, again, I chewed this a little bit because I'm an idiot and I don't have the right tools. When you have the right tools in life, everything becomes easier. But I chewed this, but the mirrors work, the heated mirrors work. Climbing inside, I took my friends out in the car. They all love it. They love the seats. It's actually extremely roomy. I had a guy that was 6'4" and probably closer to like 250 pounds back here. And then another guy that was like 6 foot, 220 pounds up here. They fit perfectly. As you guys can see, I do have this USB port. And like I showed you guys, it does charge the car, charge the charger things. Let me pull all my keys out and find the car key. I have so many car keys on me right now. Hold on, people. Hold on. There we go. As you guys can see, it does charge the car. So it's putting out 8 watts right now. Now, if we start the car, hold on. Wiggle the steering wheel. Now we're gonna get the full 21 watts. So that's kind of cool that the USB port doesn't put out a lot of power when it's the USB and the 12 volt, I'm assuming. Doesn't put out a lot of power when the car's in accessory mode, but when you put it in turn on mode, basically, you get the full 21 watts. So that's nice. I still haven't got the key programmed yet. So we'll get that programmed soon when I get a chance. Also, these drop stops are amazing. Dropped my phone a couple times down here. My friend dropped his stuff and they get stuck right here. So that's nice. Otherwise, we're waiting for the new headlight switch to come in. But again, headlights, Osram bulbs, amazing. Otherwise, the car's great. I've been driving it around in the city right now. I've been getting 25 miles a gallon, but overall, I'm getting 29.9. And I promise you, I've been idling a lot because of making this video and stuff like that. So I've been idling the car a lot. Otherwise, I love the leather steering wheel. Bluetooth audio works good. I'm not even mad that it doesn't have a screen or a backup camera because the audio in this is so good. Otherwise, the car's, again, it's been great. I've been just driving it around, right? I got it with 158,000 miles almost like right there. And now we're at 159,521. This is what you can get for $2,000 from the auction. It drives. It looks good. It's clean. Look at this headliner. Everything about this car. It's all clean. You guys can see it better now. Like, look at this. It's all clean. Just the carpets are dirty because it's Wisconsin. But yeah, keep up with this video. I'm on the fence, 1, on selling it or keeping it, and 2, if I decide to keep it, I'm on the fence of replacing the head unit with the RD330 and then putting new headlights from V-Land, new taillights from V-Land, and then just dropping some, Golf GTI or Passat 18-inch rims on it just to make it look a little bit better, just to clean up this car. But this is a fantastic car. This would make an excellent first car for like a 16, 17-year-old, a college kid. Phenomenal. 5-cylinder, 6-speed automatic. It's great. Okay, thank you guys. Love you guys. Bye.